Welcome to our Memorial Day
Assembly.
Please stand and join us saying,
I pledge of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America
and to the republic
of which it stands,
nation under God,
indivisible, with
liberty and justice
for all.
Now please join us in saying the school prayer. O God, creator of light and fountain of all knowledge,
Bless this school, we pray.
and illuminate those who teach in them.
and those who love you.
Let your light of truth and love
may shine with glowing brightness within us.
Through Jesus Christ,
our Lord. Amen.
Hello, I am Teddy Potts, and on behalf of the Student Government Association, I would like to welcome you to our Memorial Day Assembly. In this assembly, we honor those who have given up their lives in military service to fight for our country's freedom. I am pleased to introduce my sister Juliet, who is the winner of this year's School What Freedom Means to Me essay contest, sponsored by Sartoma.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Juliet Potts, and I will be reading to you my essay titled What Freedom Means to Me. I like to visualize freedom as a sturdy tree. The trunk of this tree is the basic idea of freedom, rooted in the belief that a person should be able to govern their own affairs without fear. If you ask people what freedom is to them, they will most likely have different answers because there are so many different types of freedom. The branches on my freedom tree represent categories of freedom. Some of these are the freedom of speech, the freedom of religion, the freedom of the press, and the freedom to attain an education. The twigs on the tree are more examples of freedoms that fit within each category. The tree is always growing and changing. An example of this growth is a woman's right to vote. When women gained the freedom to vote in 1920, my tree grew another branch. The freedom to get an education, practice your religion, and say what you think are some branches on the tree that are the most important in my life. The freedom of education is important to me because I am a female. Around 130 million girls around the world do not have the opportunity to go to school. I am so lucky to have this freedom. Many girls have fought for this freedom. The Pakistani girl Malala is one who fought for the freedom to go to school. She was on the bus coming home from school when a gunman came onto the bus and shot her in the head, just because she believed that all girls should be able to go to school. 2 years later, she received the Nobel Peace Prize for her courage. Without the freedom of religion, I would not be as happy as I am today. I can't imagine being killed for practicing my religion as many people in this world are. The Pilgrims left England because they were not able to practice religion the way they wanted. Freedom of religion is important to Americans. The very First Amendment to our Constitution guarantees religious freedom. Whatever a person's religious choice is, they're allowed to practice it the way they want, when they want, where they want, or not practice at all. Having the freedom of speech is very important to me. Writing this essay is a form of my freedom of speech. I can speak and write my ideas and share them without being afraid that someone will disagree and silence me. Here in America, people want to hear my opinion, even if they disagree with it, since listening to various opinions makes us better informed citizens. Finally, on my freedom tree, there are leaves. To me, these represent the people who have fought to maintain our freedoms. One special leaf on the tree represents my great-uncle Jerry. In the Vietnam War, he sacrificed his legs and right hand for our freedoms. Freedom cannot be taken for granted. We cannot forget all of the people that fought to defend our freedoms. The freedom tree can only grow and flourish if everyone takes care of it and appreciates it. From the roots to the leaves, my freedom tree stands as an image of what freedom means to me. Being able to live the life I want to live. Thank you.
In 1787 in Philadelphia, delegates from the 13 states changed America.
They wrote the Constitution, the rules to guide the land, defined 3 branches of government, and today these rules still stand.
They say we, the people of the United States, in order to follow our perfect union, establish justice, here to domestic tranquility.
Divide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, to ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. We the people, we the people, we the children, we the children, we the nation, we the nation, we the millions, we the millions, we the people, we the people, we the soldiers, we the soldiers, we the judges, and legislator. Stand up for our liberty, justice and democracy, knowing that in unity our land stays strong for you and me. We the people together united, we stand the children, giving each other a hand, the millions. We can be proud of this land we live in. We the people together united, we stand the soldiers, giving each other a hand. Judges, we can be proud of this land we live in. We believe in liberty, democracy, the will of the majority. Congress makes the laws, our courts interpret laws. The executive branch leads and enforces the laws. The creation of a nation that states cooperation needs our participation so that we, the people, keep the land we love because we, the people, are America. We the people together united, we stand the soldier, the children, giving each other a hand. Nation, we can be proud of this land we live in. We the people.
We the nation, we can be proud of this land we live in. We the people.
We the people. We the people. We the people. We the people. We the people. We the people. We the people.